Hello everyone! Today we are going to design the kitchen and dining room of this beautiful villa in a modern rustic style. This space is currently empty, but by the end of the video it will transform into a warm and inviting area inspired by autumn colors and modern details. Stay with us. Our first step is to work on the floor and ceiling. We've covered the floor with dark simple parquet that adds a natural and warm feel to the space, giving it depth. The ceiling is designed with small minimal chandeliers for even modern lighting without taking up too much space. Now it's time for the kitchen. We've kept the creamy walls untouched to maintain a bright and warm space. The kitchen cabinets are installed in a matte gray color with a modern design. To create balance and a rustic feel, we've used natural woods between the cabinets, creating a beautiful contrast between modernity and nature. In this step, we've added the dining table and chairs to the space. A dark, simple wooden table has been chosen, combined with modern wooden chairs. This furniture gives the dining area a natural and rustic feel while maintaining a simple and modern appearance. To add a touch of nature and autumn colors, we've designed an indoor space with plants. The shrubs and plants with yellow, orange, and red autumn leaves bring nature indoors, making the space lively and dynamic using artificial decorations. The combination beautifully brings autumn inside the home. To complete the space, we adjusted the lighting to create a brown and warm atmosphere using natural lights and minimal chandeliers. Finally, we've arranged practical and simple items on the dining table and in the kitchen to make the space fully ready for use. And here is the final result. We transformed a simple space into a modern and cozy kitchen and dining room inspired by nature and autumn. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave your comments for us. To see more inspiring design videos, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Until the next video, goodbye.